Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to have a very nice, quick and easy garlic and butter fried rice. So let me show you my ingredients. I've got some butter here, and in here I've got ginger, spring onions, a whole garlic I am using, so it's already nicely chopped here. I've got some red onions, and I have got some prawns here. So in this tray I've got my eggs, 3 eggs I'm using, black pepper, and 1 bouillon cube, which is Maggi Cube. So let's start this. And I'll be using sesame oil, some chili flakes. So now my eggs has already scrambled. We are going to add in our rice bit by bit because I don't want to crowd my bowl. So this is my rice ready cooked. I cooked it yesterday. I left it in the fridge, so it's nicely cooked, and I did cook it with some chicken stock to give it more flavor. So let's start mixing it bit by bit. Guys, try this garlic rice. It's so nice. Even I haven't put the garlic in yet, but the smell of the garlic coming out is so beautiful. So now we put our chili flakes. For heat, I'm using, you add how many you want. If you don't like your rice to be spicy, don't add chili flakes. You can opt out. It's me. I like hot food. I can't help it. So this is it. I'm going to throw in my ginger. Guys, try ginger in your fried rice and you will like it as well. Throw in our onions. Let's throw in our nice garlic flakes. Spring onions. In this bowl, I've got my sesame oil. Guys, add sesame oil to your rice. Either sesame oil or Chinese cooking wine. It just gives your food a nice taste. So with some that sauce and Maggi Cube mix here. So I've mixed all the dark sauce, Maggi Cube, sesame oil, and what else? I think that's all in here. If you're new here, can you please help your girl and hit the subscribe button. If you're an old friend, thanks for coming back. If you're an old subscriber, thank you. Please, if you're watching me and you can, please hit the subscribe button and help your girl channel grow. Share it with your friends so we can share these amazing recipes on my channel. And I do cooking and cleaning videos as well. So if you're still around, God bless you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.